Was America founded on the inerrant Word of God? Hey everybody, I'm Dan McClellan, a scholar of the Bible and religion, increasing public access to the academic study of the Bible and religion, and combating the spread of misinformation about the same. Let's take a look at a video.
They hate America because we were founded on the inerrant Word of God and the promises articulated in the Word of God.
All right, let's see it.
The book of Deuteronomy was by far the most quoted book in the founding of America by America's founding fathers. By far, secular or religious book, by the way.
So this is a blithe and flagrant misrepresentation of research conducted in the 1980s by a scholar named Donald Lutz. In 1984, Lutz published this paper, which examined all political publications in America between 1760 and 1805. And here's what he found. You can see in Table 1 on the left the different types of quotations: Bible, Enlightenment, Whig, Common Law, Classical, Peers, Other. They're divided up into decades, and all the quotations are accounted for. The Bible is at the top, is quoted more than any other type of quotation, and if you parse this down more granularly, you will see that Deuteronomy is quoted more than any other book of the Bible. There's a big caveat here, though. This includes sermons published in newspapers, and the majority of those quotations of the Bible are in sermons published in newspapers. These are not the political writings of the founding fathers. And to punctuate that fact, look at Table 4 below. This is the citations by the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists in 1787 and 1788. When it came down to actually forming the government, the Federalist quotations of the Bible dropped to a muscular 0. The Anti-Federalists quoted the Bible 9 times, but the Bible was not influential on the actual formation of our government. Enlightenment rationality and classical republicanism were what influenced the formation of our government. The notion that it was built on the Bible is a falsehood. It was not the Bible that inspired the formation of America. It was Enlightenment rationality and classical republicanism.
This idea of charity, defense of the innocent, separation of powers, independent judiciary, they don't just come ex nihilo out of nothing. They were an outgrowth of the Word of God.
Charlie is right that they did not drop ex nihilo from the heavens. They came from classical republicanism and Enlightenment rationality. The notion that the book of Deuteronomy preaches a separation of powers is absolutely laughable. This is pure and utter nonsense.